I'm just thugging in the club with my squad, bitch, we deep. If a nigga jump stupid, then it's two thing, hands and feet. If I holler squad up like football, bitch, we blitzing. All hell finna break loose, this the anthem. Fuck the club up, fuck the club up. What? Fuck the club up, fuck the club.
In his rookie year, all those skills culminated in a comeback against the team that had picked, then traded him.
4th down and 2 Broncos. Elway is back. Here comes the safety blitz.
It was an easy pass for me. I just dumped in the ball, and he did the rest of the work from there.
Bull Height at the 10. Bull Height at the 5. Bull Height for the goal. Touchdown. 4th and 2. The Broncos get the touchdown to go ahead.
Being able to do that my rookie year helped my confidence, and plus it was a great feeling to do against the Colts.